Right, I know there hasn't been an episode of Car Talk in some time, but there are a couple of good ones on the channel, so scroll back through, have a little look. To me now, I'm literally just going to show you some of the stock that's available on my eBay store. So this is one of my stores that I keep stuff in, little bits of everything here, there and everywhere. Right, I'm firstly going to say, about 3 weeks ago, I bought a massive Dinky collection. I'm going to say, must be in excess of around 400 models at a guess, top of my head. Majority of which is boxed. There's some lovely loose, some lovely pre-war loose. None of that is shown here. This is literally just some of the stuff that's on the eBay store at the minute. And if you're struggling to find out what it is, literally Google Jordan's Vintage World and you will find it, or the link will be in the description below. So I don't even know where to start. I'm not going to get stuff out the boxes. This is literally a teaser video. Now the majority of these are near mint, or if not mint, in the original boxes. As you can see, some stunning examples here. I love Basil Brush. That is of course complete with a little voice box as well. And the Wayne School Bus, I love these. Pre-war set, that is stunning. Another pre-war, Thunderbolt pre-war, that is gorgeous. Some nice French stuff around here too. And the condition on some of these are they're incredible, honestly. And this Alfa Romeo down here, such an amazing casting. I absolutely love it. Here's some of the Dinkies that's available. Little Redline. I've always got hundreds of Redlines in stock. I can never keep them in long enough because they always sell straight away. But there are Redlines going on the store on a regular basis. So there we go, it's always worth looking. Some Matchboxes. A lot of 1960s Hong Kong plastic I have, like that for example. That's just a copy of the Common Police van, the Corgi one, which is right there with a working flashing light. But that's quite nice. All these as well, like where they got the figures, a lot of them's got inner packaging, paperwork, that's always nice to have. Some Solido models. I'm going to do this first. The gorgeous mint box Tekno Mercedes. That's gorgeous. It's really, really nice. Some Lone Star Flyers. A lot of this stuff goes over to America around the world, which is pretty good. Some bubble pack Dinkies. I try not to buy a lot of these, to be honest with you, because you buy them perfect and then ship them around to a couple of Toyfairs and the plastic starts splitting no matter how good they are. But at least it hasn't gone yellowy tinge. They are, you know, they're in pretty good nick in all fairness. Everything is totally original, aside from this Hoover's truck, which is a Code 3, which is pretty cool. That's been made. Some Vanguards, and that's one of mine. That's not for sale. That's just a little Volkswagen man like myself, so that's something I gotta keep. Start you on the top shelf. Through here, some of the original models of yesteryear. To be honest with you, the only ones I really do bother buying. I won't touch the other stuff. Little spot on, I set a bubble car. That's cute. That is cute, to be honest with you. The creme de la creme, as they say. Just look at that pre-war Dinky. No casting fatigue either. Look at that. The hubs would have been red originally. The only little thing with it is the little bottom part here, look, is split off from the axle, which is a bit of a shame, but you know, you could repair it. But I like to keep things original. So that's a rare truck, you know, that's £1,000 plus all day long. A couple of years ago, probably would have gone, you know, 2 grand maybe. Surprising. Chrysler Airflows. I love these. A lot of the 20 series, 30 series stuff. Look at some of these. Absolutely incredible. That's lovely with the black guards on it. Pre-war tractor. Now this is interesting to me because the condition on it is really nice. All lovely. And you've got one rear wheel. It's a lot brighter than the rest of it, which is quite funny. But it doesn't seem to be any, you know, it's generic what's over it, even if it is any sun damage on it. But just that one wheel. Unpainted base as it should have. It's a gorgeous example. Packard, some Range Rovers. You know, the police one, which is common. The rare black version, rare yellow version. Lincoln Continental. I love those cars. Stunning. Now let's take you back through to some early post-war cars. You know, there's a couple of Pre's coming through. Just look at some of these. How nice is it to have the series? Now these, I've got many of these on the store. They've been selling around the world. One's just gone to South Africa this morning, which is quite cool. But, you know, just some of those, like the Rolls Royces, the Rovers, etc. They're absolutely gorgeous market truck. I've got a pre-war one of these, which I haven't uploaded. I reckon this sort of range, this era, there's another 50 to 75 loose, really good condition ones with these to come out. Different variants of the Royal Mail van, you know, closed windows, open windows. Did have the all red roof as well, that's already sold. Different variants of the taxis, closed, open, etc. And these streamline buses, I think they're incredible, you know, it's just got such a good look about them. Look at that. You know, as well as this being my full-time business, full-time job, officially 10 years this year, I collect myself. So I'll be honest with you, my collection is, I would dread to think how much bigger than what you see in here, but there we go, that's just me. Collect Corgi, Dinky, spot on. I like Tinplate stuff, got a massive Redline collection on cards myself. And when we're there as well, these are pretty fresh in. Corgi Juniors all on the blisters, which are nice and opened. There's some at the back, some Sizzlers, Berg and the Mustang and stuff there, they're quite nice. Husky, Corgi Rockets, Arnold Tinplate, that is lovely. You know, Chud Valley, got some French then Tinplate. It's got a good look about it. Not big money, but I just like it being a hot rod. Of course, you've got to have a Beetle in there. Again, more 1960s plastic, Comma vans, 3-4 ton chassis. I think they're quite cool. Right through, got Bandai as well. Now we are talking. Look at that Ferrari, stunning. Loose Dinky Heinz van. I just love the Dinky casting. The guy trucks, the big Bedford trucks, stunning. 1950s, screams it all over. More Bandai. More Bandai. Sorry, some shipping boxes here as well. I'm literally just moving stuff around, but I thought it'd be worth a show. A little bit more Bandai. Just look at that truck, CIJ Renault. Again, pre-war era if I'm not mistaken. That's a rare little thing. Tekno Denmark Air France plane. Banana Joe, that's cool. That is really cool. Some more Bandai. Look at the Joe's Diner 1960s plastic Telsada. Bandai Rolls Royce. Two different colours. Both with hood ornaments, which is nice. Another pre-war Tinplate, the clockwork back there. Little robot. And in the background here, hiding, if you can quite make it out, is a Jerry Anderson bus. Well, it's not a Jerry Anderson bus. Well, you know, Jerry Anderson didn't make it, but it's a bus used in the Jerry Anderson series. In the original Stingray, you'll see it in there. Later on in the Jerry Anderson stuff, they actually stripped them down and turned them into fire trucks. So, you know, that is a rare beast in there, to be honest. I think it's OK Toys off the top of my head. Hong Kong, early 1960s, well, 1962, futuristic sort of bus. Rare thing for the Jerry Anderson collector. If you haven't got one, you need one. Why not buy this one? They're all for sale. Literally, as I said, Jones Vintage World. It's all you got to search for. And you can find eBay stores there. You know, details will be in the description anyway. But I just wanted to give you a little preview of some of the stuff that I've got on the store. As I said, I've probably got about 500 to 600 models yet to list on there. During this coronavirus, you know, lockdown, I'm not doing a whole lot of listing. I'm just doing some bits. But I'm posting out, not a problem. Things are being posted out every single day. That's not a problem. So no matter where you are around the world, if you're worried about buying something, not to worry. I'll post it out. It's going to get there. I said, taking all the steps my side as well. Hygiene is perfect here. And I'm wiping down boxes, etc. It makes just doing everything I can. So it's not a problem. So if you're scared about buying anything, don't be. So you can combine the postage worldwide and everything is compatible anyway. So yeah. Some of these models you could be taking home to your own collection. So check out the channel for many more videos. There's a lot of exploring videos on there and there's a lot of other toy stuff on there. But I'll be doing a lot more of this toy stuff as well because you keep asking me to do it. So it's about time I start doing it. Take it easy, guys.